Once you've selected an exam, it'll bring you to the exposure screen. As soon as you're brought to the screen, you're ready to take exposures and can just simply press the exposure switch on your generator, and the detector will immediately recognize that you have taken an X-ray. It will take a few seconds to transfer over to your computer. So while it's happening, let me explain a few of the parts of the screen. First, in the center is where the image is going to appear. In the right are a series of thumbnails that will show you all the images in your study. On the far right, at the top, is the list of all the images you're planning to take in your study. You can move around these simply by selecting different ones. The color will change to tell you which X-rays you've taken. You can also add new X-rays to the study by selecting the study list. Below that are a couple of labeling tools. You can put R and left markers that we usually suggest use a physical one. Plus, enter your own labels, free type text, or access the full range of tools through the Tools button. Below that are shortcuts to a couple of the most commonly used tools when you're exposing. So for instance, right now you'll see that we've automatically collimated, because of the body part we picked, down to a small area. If we instead want to show the entire area, I can grab the corners and select it. Or I can simply turn off collimation by selecting the region of interest tool. I can also rotate it so it looks the way I want to. Okay. Once I'm done and I'm happy with the angle and rotation as well as any notes I may put on the image, I can end the study by clicking Close Study. That asks me what I want to do with it, if I simply want to save it, or if I want to send it to a PACS. Okay, and then it returns me to the work list ready to take my next study. Now if I want to look at a study I've already taken, I simply go to Browser, and I'll have a list of all the studies I've taken. You can search by ID, name, or accession number. Okay. And to open the study, I just double click on it. You'll see here there's a few new tools have popped up in the top right instead of the list of stuff, the exposure list. So I can do my basic angles, Cobb angles, and some measurements on the image. Or I can send this on to a PACS so that it's ready to be viewed at another location. Okay, that finishes the basic demo for the software. If you have any additional questions, we're happy to provide you with manuals or with a demonstration through your dealer. Thank you, and I hope to hear back from you.